Have you ever felt your stomach twist before an exam? Or lost your appetite during stress? Or had sudden digestive issues during anxiety? That's not coincidence. That's your gut and brain talking. Welcome to the mind-gut connection, one of the most fascinating systems in the human body. Inside your body runs a communication network called the gut-brain axis. This is a two-way connection between your brain and your digestive system. And the main messenger? The vagus nerve. A long nerve that acts like a direct hotline between your brain and your gut. But here's something even more surprising. Around 90% of serotonin, the chemical often called the happiness neurotransmitter, is produced in your gut. That means your gut isn't just digesting food, it's influencing your mood. Now let's talk about the gut microbiome. Inside your intestines live trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and microbes. Together, they form an ecosystem. When this ecosystem is balanced, it supports digestion, immunity, and even emotional stability. But when it's disrupted, due to junk food, chronic stress, lack of sleep, or antibiotics, the balance shifts. And that's when problems start. You might experience brain fog, mood swings, anxiety, fatigue, bloating, or IBS symptoms. Research increasingly shows that gut inflammation can influence mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. And the cycle works both ways. Chronic stress can change your gut bacteria composition within days. So stress affects your gut, and your gut affects your stress. It's a loop. Think of it like this. Your brain is the command center. Your gut is the emotional sensor. If one is disturbed, the other reacts. Now the big question, how do we support this connection? First, feed your microbiome. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, oats, and lentils act as fuel for good bacteria. Fermented foods like curd, buttermilk, kimchi, or sauerkraut introduce beneficial microbes. Second, manage stress. Breathing exercises, walking, yoga, prayer, journaling. Even 10 minutes a day can lower stress hormones that harm gut balance. Third, sleep. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria and increases inflammation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. And finally, reduce ultra-processed foods and excessive sugar. These feed harmful bacteria and promote imbalance. The mind and body are not separate systems. Your gut is sometimes called the second brain because it has its own network of over 100 million neurons, more than your spinal cord. That means when you heal your gut, you may also improve focus, emotional stability, and energy. So the next time you feel anxious or mentally drained, don't just ask, "What's wrong with my mind?" Ask, "What's happening in my gut?" Because true mental clarity doesn't start only in the brain. Sometimes, it starts in the belly.